Okay, you should congratulate yourself. You have completed the first chapter of the HTML1 course. Very good job, job well done. Now is the time to apply what you have learned with me so far. What I would suggest is highly recommend, this is an exercise that I prepared for you. Create your learning e-portfolio. Okay, I'm going to explain what e-portfolios are much later as we progress through this course, because by the end of this course and especially the end of HTML2, you will have a complete e-portfolio for yourself, and I would also be discussing about what you can add and what you need to take with you so that you can use it for the rest of your life. You can update it as you wish, have more power, even design some elements that make it look very clean and professional. Okay, so an e-portfolio is a collection of artifacts. For example, you may have taken many courses at Edupedia World, or you may have taken some courses anywhere else. You might have some professional development certificates and courses, anything you have. You need to create a web page that is your e-portfolio. Okay, but we're going to build this e-portfolio in increments. We're going to build it step by step, chapter by chapter. Okay, so by the time you completed this course, you will have some substantial portfolio to take with you. Okay, so in this first chapter, you have to complete 5 steps and create a web page. The title of the page should say my e-portfolio. The heading should say welcome to, I'm saying your names, which means welcome to, for example, Zubia's e-portfolio. Okay, your body should be beige in color and the text of your web page should be navy in color, and you need to write a paragraph about yourself. Okay, and when you have your final project, it would be a complete e-portfolio that you can share with us in the comment area, and I can comment, we can talk to each other about it, and you can share and showcase with your showcased skills and artifacts and evidences of your work with us. And the biggest advantage of e-portfolio is that if you take it to any job or any place for evaluation, you are more able to impress your managers with an e-portfolio than with a paper resume. Okay, nowadays the trend is more towards developing e-portfolios as opposed to just taking a paper resume with you. Okay, so if you want to take a look at my example, I have 2 e-portfolios. I have a faculty development e-portfolio, which was my learning e-portfolio. I was learning and I was building it at the same time, and this was when I was in Virginia Tech, and it's a faculty development e-portfolio. And in the home page, I have a picture of myself, pretty old picture, and I have this whole paragraph, 3 paragraphs here. Then I talk about my teaching philosophy. Now this is as old as 2008. All right, and this e-portfolio is sponsored by Virginia Tech itself, so that means that I have a complete web address here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to publish your e-portfolios later on. I'm going to show you what websites will help support your web pages, how you can publish a website, how you can make it public. So right now whatever you're creating is private. For example, this thing here, the green event managers, all of this, whatever we're doing, it's on my C drive. Okay, it's on my desktop, it's private. This is a public link. It's an HTTPS. It's a secure link. HTTPS means secure. Okay, and only people with the link can view. And then we have faculty development digital courses. I have my research here, and I have my instruction technology development courses here. Okay, I have another working e-portfolio which looks something like this. Okay, and it's a collection of courses, any kind of hi, I'm Zubia, learning specialist and instructor, welcome to my e-portfolio. I write blogs, I've taken a few courses. I've taught a lot of courses. What I do is I just put them here for everybody to see. Okay, and anything that I write, my ID toolbox, okay, instruction development toolbox, all of these things I know already. I can play with them, I can work on them, I'm proficient on them. So think about your skills. How can you make this interesting? How can you make this workable? How can you make your managers attracted to you? And all of this, okay, this was created using Joomla. That's another content management program. And but you can definitely create something like this using HTML. Okay, not as advanced, but something like basic like this is easily possible, okay, using HTML. So by the end of this course, you would have a final project of an e-portfolio. For now, just do these 5 steps, and you can email them to me. Okay, email your files with me, just store them in your folder, zip them and send it to me. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section, in the comment area. Just ask me and I will be happy to answer them. So what's next? Next we have more about attributes. Okay, we're going to play with some more code, and we're going to write code in Notepad, and we're going to bring it up here, right here. Okay, so up next is more about attributes. See you later. Take care. Bye bye.